Hi, many positions in today's data-intensive world require that we work with large data tables in Excel and also how to analyze that data. I'm happy to announce a 3-series classes that will help you in managing manipulating data tables in Excel, and then 2 classes on analytics. First, August the 14th, we're going to have big data, managing and manipulating data in Excel. Well, I'll show you tons of tips and tricks and how to work with the large data table and then use the fantastic feature called Format as a Table. Then August the 21st, we move on to 4 important business analytical tools in Excel. Scenario Manager, where we play what-if games with our data. We'll work with a pivot table. We'll create and edit a pivot table. We'll work with subtotals within our data table. And finally, we're going to use the very popular charts in Excel, where we'll create and edit charts, pivot charts, and smart art to graphically represent our data. Then we're going to move on to August the 28th with pivot tables, where we'll create 3 or 4 pivot tables that span many industries: human resources, sales, operations, administration, territory management, and so many others. So get ready and attend these 3 sessions. They fall underneath my LOL Lots of Learning training program, where we'll have our 3+ hour live Zoom webinar from 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on Fridays. I'll send you a PDF manual so you can download it, print it, and use it during and after our class. I'll send you practice files and a certificate of achievement. So all of this for only $29.99. You can get all the information at gregcreech.biz. Again, that's gregcreech.biz. So boost that resume and become less frustrated in using Excel and its large data tables. And then we're going to learn how to analyze that data. So thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in my sessions.